Hello everybody and welcome. Here I am in the studio. The whole world is my studio. That's what John Wesley said, didn't he? The whole world is my parish. I brought you up here because it's one of my favourite places when I come here to England. Here we are on Dartmoor, and right there in front of us we have this whole granite outcrop here is known as Haytor Rocks, and it's a marvellous place. As you can see, you get a fantastic view from up here, right across to the sea, right over there. I don't know if you can make it out, that dip in the horizon there, that's then the continuation of the sea down there. Here we are in Devon, England, October 16th, 2008, and I just took the opportunity to come up here and, who knows, maybe get some inspiration. You know, this place does inspire one. It refreshes you, not least because of the cold wind that is blowing. Lumps of granite everywhere, looking down on the patchwork of fields and woods down there in this Devon countryside. Let's just go up here on the ridge. Probably get a bit of wind interference on the mic, but all around here. Just trying to think of who wrote Sherlock Holmes. It's on the tip of my tongue. I know it very well, but someone will make a comment and tell me. Yeah, I love this place. It inspires me. This is a different kind of, it's not like looking at flowers and branches and things, is it? It's looking at bare rock, and kind of up here the wind howls on winter's night. It's icy cold, not like you guys up there in Alaska or in Canada, I'm sure. Not as cold as that. For us it's cold. This is only about 15 minutes, I suppose, from where my telephone is ringing again. Don't know who that is. Anyway, never mind. So, just wanted to go up to this rock. People come here and do a bit of practice mountain climbing, rock face climbing. This is granite.